Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you some very important and very basic formulas in Excel, and these formulas are all related to count function. And we have a dummy Excel sheet, so here we have some names of the employees and their departments and their scores. So I'm going to show you today four formulas. So first is the count A, then count blank, then count if. So let's start with count A. So what does count A does? So it will count all the cells within the given range. So let's begin with it. So let's start with equals to count A bracket open, and here we have to select the range. So if we have to check how many cells are there, so we just have to select the range, bracket close. So there are total 11 people, and supposedly if there are any blank cells and you have to count how many blank cells are there within the given range. So again equals to count blank, then bracket open, then range, bracket close. So there are two blank cells here. So as soon as you enter some random number here, so it will change the count blank to 1. See, also count A only counts the cells which has some value, so it will not count the cell which is blank. So currently it is showing 10, so as soon as I enter a number, so it will change to 11 and the count blank becomes 0, because count A is counting all the cells which has some values and count blank is counting the cells which doesn't have any value. So this was count A and count blank. So let's move forward with count function. So equals to count bracket open, then again the range, bracket close, 11. So what is the difference between count A and count? So guys, count function only counts the cell which has a number, whereas count A function counts all the cells which has any number or a character. So even if we enter a value X here, see, count A remains the same, but count becomes 10, because it is not taking this cell into consideration, because this is a character, it's not a number. So when we uh, change it to 4 maybe, then it will become 11, because it becomes a number now. So count formula only counts the cell which has a number. So guys, let's move forward to count if. So count if function helps us if we want to find out how many people are there in a particular department. So like if we want to find out how many people are there in department 3, then we'll go to equals to count if. So it is asking for a range. So range is this, our department column. We will press F4 to lock it. Then the criteria. So criteria means the department name which we want to find out. So supposedly we want to find out how many people are there in department 3. So we'll select department 3, bracket close. So we have 4 people in department 3. So if we want to find out how many people are there in department 2, then we will simply edit the criteria and select department 2. So there are 3 people in department 2. So this is how the count formulas work. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.